this ever happen to you? You're using your Dyson V7 or V8 quite happily when all of a sudden, oh no, the back blows off of the machine, exposing all of this dangerous stuff that luckily has a protective covering on it for stupid people like me. Yes, what has happened is that due to your negligence, I'm afraid, in washing the filters, not using the thing for DIY, what's happened is that all of the air needs somewhere to go. It can't go through the clogged filter despite how much you rinse it out, so it breaks this part here. Our job today is reasonably simple. We're just going to fit some new bits and get this working well again. Let's have a look. Yes, hello, my vacuum cleaner chums. How are you today? Yeah, what you need to do every 6 months, sadly, on these is pop these 3 tabs off of here, pull the sock off, put the sock into soak. Put this into soak, biological washing stuff, hot water, leave it overnight. Then put both in the washing machine. Do that twice a year, and again for this person, I'm going to do this to this so that they've got and spare, but we're putting new ones on for ease, because I mean, this isn't the problem, this is just the effect of the issue. That's the easy part to fix. What we need to do now, oh my goodness, is take this off, take this out, and again, this is why that's our issue there. We're just going to give this a good old airline out and get it cleanish once more. It's all had a good old airline out, you can take a damp cloth and start to clean off just the worst of it, because hey, we don't want to give it back looking disgusting. Now that I've smelt it, it's also not plaster dust, it's talcum powder. Oh, and this is a problem, because yeah, it was an elderly lady who dropped this off. She's probably going to go through it like anything, so bless this vacuum, might have to come back again. But this is it now. This is rubbish. You could glue it back on, but this new, it's probably not genuine, but it's certainly new piece here was £8.99. So, you know, it's almost not worth it. And if we line it up, pop it in, and then push it down, it's not all clipped in. Don't want to break this one. Bottom in first, maybe? Yes, bottom in first, then the top. Suddenly, that is now fixed back on. You would never really be able to do that otherwise, not without, really gluing the heck out of it. And again, you're still not fixing the problem without either thoroughly cleaning. But again, it was £8.99 for a twin pack of these. I mean, I bought a twin pack because why not, really? So, put this on here, like so. We shall then get a new free motor filter. And all of a sudden, this thing is transformed. Notice how there was no adjustment in the airflow. I bet if we put this one here, it's not actually too bad. This one's certainly a lot more pass-throughy, and that's certainly the one that we're going to be keeping on there. But I'm probably going to give her, I won't give her these particular ones, I'll give her a washed pre-motor filter for that. This one was okay, so I'm going to keep this for my own spares. I then have another brand new one. So again, if this happens to you, you now have 2 sets of filters. You can wash a set and wear a set, and all will be well. But not here. She can just have her new filters and spare. And we'll call this quick little job done. So what have you found yourself fixing thanks to cheap injection moulded parts from China? Do let me know down below, because hey, we've just saved this thing's life. And I, and some other dodgy Dyson, will see you soon. Bye bye.